video, we will be doing the ankle taping procedure. We will start with our pads, the lace and the heel pads to stop friction and abrasion. Let's see if I can. Oh, goodness. The next thing we will be doing is pre-wrapping the foot to help stop with skin irritation from the tape, and it just makes it easier for the tape to come off. Going halfway up the instep, back around, making sure that heel is covered, and going a little ways up the leg. Kind of difficult when you don't have a nice trainer's table, but we make do. Alright. So the next thing that we will be doing is applying our anchor strips, one at the top of our pre-wrap around here and the other one down in the middle of the instep here. Luckily Jen's foot smells pretty nice, otherwise that would make this a little more difficult. And one more around the instep. Sorry, our computer went black. Okay. The next thing that we will be doing is the stirrups, starting on the inside of the foot, leg area. And you will be going underneath just in front of the heel and pulling it tight so we keep that inside. We'll do that 3 times. Each one overlapping just the half of the tape's width, pulling that tight. And one more. Alright. Make sure that's all secure down there. Looks good. So the next thing we'll be doing is just making sure that those strips stay secure. Do about 5 or 6 of those. Holding those stirrups in place. Do one more. Alright, the next thing we will do is like the figure 8 motion around the back side of the foot, underneath the heel, across the Achilles. Well, backside, across the Achilles, underneath the heel, and then we'll come back up and around the foot, securing it right about where we started. We'll do that twice on both sides of the ankle. So we'll start on the inside of the ankle. Make sure the rubber tape. It is nice and sticky. Always keeping the tape tight. Come around and end right where we started. And then do that on this side as well. And ending right where you started. Next, we'll be doing that, but the opposite way. So we'll come across the top of the foot, down the back, and then across the top, and then back across the top, making another figure 8 motion, and always stopping where you started. So we'll start on the inside of the foot, around our anchor strip, going across the top of the foot, coming underneath, going back across the top, and ending where you started. And we'll do the same for this one, starting kind of by our anchor strip. We'll go across the top of the foot, underneath the arch, back across, and ending about where you started. The next thing we will do is pretty much clean up all of our open ends. So we'll just wrap this up a few times wherever we stopped with the tape. And then finally, we'll just do a couple half strips over top of here where we last ended, keeping those all secure. And one more. And there we have our ankle taping procedure. We wanted to be able to move the foot just a little bit, but not enough to be able to roll it or hyperextend it in a way.